Let's try to run. See what will happen. First, it is open the robot is running, so it's open the data and extract the data in from that particular scraping. It's open the map and it will type the USA first one and take a screenshot. Close the tab. Once it is take the screenshot, it will close the tab. So why it is waiting this much time? Let's wait. So yeah, it's closed. It is taking too much time, so I will give the 500 milliseconds. Okay. Save instead of 2000, so I will give the 500 milliseconds. So it is a 20,000. That's why. Okay. Sorry, mistake. 20,000 means 20 seconds. That's why it is taking time. Okay. Now let us see how it is looks like. So this file name itself the information like yes, how many is confirmed, how many is reported, how many is deaths. Okay, confirmed and it's like 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, yeah, understand. And this will give the image of the particular screen. In the take screenshot, if you just give the okay, so for timing, so what we can just simply use the take screenshot. That's it. Take screenshot, and there is these things. Now try to run this bot. You can understand. So it's open the code cases. I think it's not even taking. It's not waiting properly. Let's see how the images looks like. US. See, it's not proper. It's taking the image, but it's before loading. So while loading itself, it is taking the image. What we can do? We'll just increase the delay time. Take screenshot instead of that. 7 seconds.
I think it's 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Okay. It is taking. So it is doing up to all the countries are done because we are in the for each row activity. Okay, so let's stop this one bot and check whether see Brazil. The name itself it is representing that the information about all the cases and recovered this. We go to the next image, India. Next image, US.